Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Conceptual Lectures by MSH. Today we will discuss some important points related to stainless steel that can be asked in MCQs for different tests. So let's start the video. Stainless steel is basically the family of alloy steels. It contains more than 100 grades. It is basically classified into 5 major groups, which are austenitic steel, ferritic steel, martensitic steel, duplex steel, and precipitation hardening steel. Basically, from composition point of view, it contains minimum 10.5% chromium. The chromium content is from 10 to 30% with low carbon content, which is less than 1.2%. The carbon content should be less than 1.2%. The stainless steels are called the stainless as it forms an invisible self-healing chromium oxide film Cr2O3, which is passive layer and thin, and this passive layer resists corrosion actually. This thin forms when the chromium is added at a concentrations greater than 10.5%. That's why we have discussed earlier that the minimum percentage of chromium is 10.5%. So in this way, the chromium imparts remarkable resistance to corrosion and heat. That's why it is called stainless. Most of the stainless steels are first melted in the electric arc or basic oxygen furnaces and subsequently refined in other steel making vessels, mainly to lower the carbon content. In argon oxygen decarburization process, a mixture of oxygen and argon gas is injected in the liquid steel bath. So by varying the ratio of oxygen and argon, it is possible to remove carbon to controlled level by oxidizing to carbon monoxide without also oxidizing and losing the expensive chromium. Thus, cheaper raw materials such as high carbon ferrochromium may be used in the initial melting operations. These are some basic points related to stainless steel. Hope you would like the video. Thank you so much.